Hi, this is Dr. Tanji Nikakuwaskut, Dr. Tanji, the sex doctor, and I am here at Renewal Medical Centers of North Texas in Dallas, Texas. And did you know that most men will experience some sort of erectile dysfunction throughout their life? That is okay, that is normal. However, if this becomes a chronic issue, meaning it does not go away, you need to seek help and you need to talk to somebody. That is the most important step that you can take in order to restore your sexual function. Many issues with sexual function, such as erectile dysfunction, have physiological causes. Therefore, it is very important that you seek help so we can rule out any conditions that need to be treated and that could be impacting your sexual health. If you are suffering from erectile dysfunction, the most important thing that you can do for yourself is talk about it. So we're here waiting for you. We're willing to help you. We understand sexual dysfunction, and we have the best technology to help you get better and get your love life back on track.